Hello and welcome to another AES Drilling Fluids Tech Tip. We're going to address basic drilling fluids concepts in hopes that we can tackle far more complex problems in the future. In this tech tip, we'll go over the sand content test. While quick and straightforward, the sand content test is an important part of any water-based mud check. The sand content of a drilling fluid is the percentage or volume fraction of particles in the fluid with a diameter greater than 74 microns. It is measured by using a sand sieve. The term sand is a size classification term. So if you have a sand content of 1% by volume, it does not mean that the 1% is actual sand. It simply means that 1% by volume of the fluid has particles 74 microns or larger in size. This can include lost circulation material, drill solids, and any other material. The test is critical as a high sand content can lead to some tool and rubbers washing out due to the abrasive nature of some of these larger sized materials. The test can also be used to get an idea of how well your solids control equipment is running. A quick sand content check before and after shakers or before and after centrifuge processing can give you insight as to how well the equipment may be running. The materials required for the sand content test are the sieve, which is 74 micron or 200 mesh, approximately 2.5 inches in diameter, a funnel to fit the sieve, and the glass measuring tube, which has markings to indicate the volume of drilling fluid and water to be added and is graduated from 0 to 20% in order to take a direct reading of the sand content percentage. To run the sand content test, first fill the glass measuring tube with drilling fluid to the mud here marking. Add water on top of the mud to the scribed line above. Close the mouth of the tube with your thumb and shake it vigorously. Pour the mixture onto the clean sieve, discard the liquid passing through the sieve, and add more water to the tube in order to get any residue left behind. Shake it again and pour through the sieve. Repeat this process until the tube is clean. Place the funnel on the other side of the sieve slowly and insert the tip of the funnel into the mouth of the glass tube. Wash the sand into the tube by spraying a stream of water through the sieve. Allow the sand to settle into the glass tube, and from the graduations on the tube, read the volume percent of the sand. Report the sand content of the drilling fluid as a percentage or volume fraction. Be sure to report the source of the drilling fluid sample, such as from the flow line, gathered from the suction pit, etc. Note presence of any noticeably different solids such as LCM material, or in some cases it's possible to note layers of graphite or calcium carbonate material. While not typically part of a standard invert emulsion mud report, it is also possible to perform and track a sand content test using base fluid instead of water to classify the solids. The key to this test is to oil wet the components with base oil prior to performing the test. That concludes this AES Drilling Fluids Tech Tip. Stay tuned for the next one, and if you want to learn more, have a listen to The Flow Line, our podcast. And if you want to improve your drilling fluid performance, please reach out to us at AES Drilling Fluids, where better fluids equal better wells.